Kansas. We're heading down to Legends of Hope Outfitting with our good friend Kyle Larson. He's going to put us on some Rios this weekend, so it should be a good time. We're doing a recon mission. We're getting scattered out for tomorrow morning. And so far we've seen several turkeys. We just saw a group of 4 toms together, so he's got the turkeys. We just got to get on them in the morning. Well, it's May 5th, our first morning in Kansas. We drove around last night, kind of scouted some places out, and on the back side of this, there were 6 toms. We had some hens with them, but now they're behind us gobbling. I think they flew down now though, because I haven't heard them for a while, but I just heard them, I guess. Kyle said he sees them in his field all the time, so we're just going to sit and wait, and hopefully we can call them this way. Dude, they're fired up. Get some of this action. Dude, I think they're coming. Their gobble sounds like a video game, dude. It does. It does.
Nice bird down, buddy. With the gun, 53 yards, dude.
Old Mossberg, baby. It's 6:56. We had, I don't know how many behind us. At least 6. Well, all of a sudden I called, and these 2 hammered right down the bottom. And I knew they were coming in. I gave a few more yelps and they came in, but for some reason they didn't come to the decoys. They stayed out about 50 yards. In Kansas, you can either shoot your bow or your gun, whatever you want. So I brought both the bow and the gun. Put the bow down, grabbed the gun. I think I ranged him at 53 yards, I think he was. Smoked him. That was awesome, dude. Yes! Well, it was an awesome morning here at Legends of Hope Outfitting. Kyle put us on them. We had 2 come in right off the bat, and for some reason they would not commit to the decoys. They stayed out about 50 yards. So I had to put the gun to use and shot him at 53 yards, which is my farthest with a gun. And then they were still gobbling after we shot him, and it wasn't probably 10 minutes, 7 of them came out of the woods and right up to the decoys, and once again I hit the blind, so that kind of sucked. They were 10 yards from the blind, if that. That's kind of a bummer, but we do got one down, and we got another tag to fill, so we're gonna get back after him here after a bit.
Woo, doggy, that was awesome.
That's the best hunt.
Yes. Oh my god.
Tagged out. First day.
Day one here in Kansas. We're down at Legends of Hope Outfitting with Kyle, and this morning we killed a bird, and now we came to the barnyard, and Kyle said there's probably going to be some out here, so we started yelping and walking around. Sure enough, we struck up two. And I actually ran back to get some decoys, and by the time I got back, they were already 40 yards from Kyle and Jameson, so we got set up real quick, and he came to 5 steps, and I let him have it. So I can't thank Kyle enough. This was awesome.
Man. Close the deal.
Tagged out in day one. You can't really ask for anything better than that. So, oh, and then he's got 4 beards, so that's a plus. We first thought he was just a double beard, but then got to inspect him a little more, and he's got 4. So
I lost count when we got to 3.
yeah, but yeah, it was an awesome day here. So now we're gonna try and film Kyle getting one either this afternoon or tomorrow morning, whatever he wants to do. So we still got more tags to fill.
Yes, sir. Let's get it done.
If you want to book your next Rio hunt, get a hold of Kyle Lorson at Legends of Hope Outfitting.